Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to buy CapCut Pro Updated Easy Guide. So for you to be able to go ahead and buy CapCut Pro, you need to go ahead and install first the app version for that. So you'll just need to search CapCut onto your local browser and then you'll find in the option to download this for free. So click on to download this for free to go ahead and download this onto your device and wait for the installation to be processed. So just following the prompts and right after, just open the desktop app. Right after that, once you already open the app, there should be an option for you to go ahead and join this one. So to join CapCut Pro, you could enjoy all the features and materials for that, but make sure you're currently logged in first onto your device. So if you're still not yet logged in, just go ahead and click onto your profile icon in here. It should show into your sign in, following the prompts, add in your email address or sign up for an account if you don't have one. And right after, once you're already signed in, just head back here onto the app. Click onto Join Pro and there should be an option for you to go ahead and select any plan. So the prices in here differ onto which country you're currently in. So just click onto which one you want to go ahead and subscribe and then click onto purchase. So by tapping purchase, you agree to the terms of service and privacy policy for that. Now, right after, you'll get redirected here onto this next screen. Right after that, so you should be able to see the original price, the discount for that, and the purchase price. Then there should be a payment method in here wherein you could choose how to pay for this one. Just add in your card number, expiration date, or you could choose Maya or PayPal for that. And right after, just click onto purchase and you should be able to enjoy already the pro services of CapCut. And that is how easy you could go ahead and buy CapCut Pro. And if you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.